Today's the day. Road trip! We're making the trek from Ohio to Florida. It's gonna be a 14-hour drive. Cut it up into 2 days. We're gonna stop in Atlanta today, hang out, do stuff there. I don't know what we have planned, to be honest. It's gonna be about 8 hours. We're here picking up Chris, so we're gonna load up, and then tomorrow we're gonna make it all the way to Florida. Tampa Bay, World Series of Bowling, unofficial practice tomorrow night. Hopefully we got some interesting things to show you today. If not, you might see a bunch of B-roll of the drive. Let's go. Hi. Hi.
That's it. 9:11, so we're gonna get there in 7.5. Hey, no tolls. That's good. We got on the tolls to Virginia. $8 both ways. Trash. Come back.
Pit stop here in Louisville, Kentucky. Did I say that right? Comments, because we have this strong debate about how to pronounce Louisville, whatever. I don't know. We're stopping to get some gas and lunch. We'll be back on the road with you. Hey, a little pit stop, not to get gas, just to clean the car. I'm just kidding, we got gas.
Take care of the car takes care of you. Remember?
Fact. How's the drive treating you so far?
Not too bad. You know, sometimes you just gotta get out, stretch the buns a little bit. They get a little stale. You sit in the car too long, but you know, we have a little less than, we have like 3.5 hours, 3 hours left.
It's not bad. It's going by kind of quickish. We made it. It's a little wild. Mikey made the drive all the way by himself, like a big boy.
I've got the bladder the size of a peanut, so I really have to pee.
Man's gotta pee. Let's get him inside. He wasn't lying, he had to go pretty bad. Fit check. Fit check.
Let's go, baby.
Peep the view, peep the view. We're giving this room tour without even turning the lights on. Who needs it? The nice barren trees. You can kind of see the freeway over there. Oh, a little foggy out that window. Look at the nice sunset. Well, the sun's already set, but
The haze.
was it a close one?
No, I mean, I had pretty good control of it, but I would say it was a healthy stream. If you got the extra large at a Circle K, like the 64 ounce, I would be challenging the surface tension of that cup.
Back on the road, we have about 5 and change hours left. A boring night in Atlanta. We did do some editing though, so that was fun. More to come. To Florida we go.
So we're here at Chick-fil-A, but for some reason, we're not at Cookout.
Chris?
Oh, too zoomed.
No!
I'd eat Cookout for breakfast.
Maybe they have a fantastic breakfast menu.
A breakfast quesadilla as my side.
Ooh. Yo, if they have a breakfast quesadilla.
Darren, have you had Cookout?
I don't know. Probably not if I don't know.
I think you would remember.
Yeah. The food is literally like if you were eating at a picnic or something like Cookout.
Probably not.
Like the burger has that Uncle Chard taste.
Say Uncle Chard too?
Yeah.
like your uncle made it.
Yeah. On the grill, with the fire just slightly too hot, but it's still fire. Finally, if you know, you know. Darren, we're waiting for your first Cookout experience. What are you waiting for?
Playing Pokemon.
You need to get your priorities straight.
What do you mean? I'm riding in the back.
There's that little box of goodness waiting for you. What's in your Cookout tray?
I got me a little Cajun chicken sandwich, chicken quesadilla, onion rings. I was up in the air, didn't know if I wanted onion rings or hush puppies, because hush puppies there fire.
It makes sense on the side.
But we went with the
I went with the O-rings, and like, I can't be disappointed, but maybe I should just got both.
Maybe.
Maybe I should just got both. Or
Omit the quesadilla?
Or we just have to go back.
We good, yep. So what'd you get? Chicken nuggets, you got the big, the double whatever burger, and chicken quesadilla. How's your first cookout chicken nugget?
Alright.
Yeah. I got another one of those big double burgers, corn dog, and a chicken quesadilla.
And I can't wait.
So I got a peach chi in Georgia. Do you think it's gonna taste better than, like, if I get one in Ohio?
No.
Yes.
You don't think so?
No.
Is it a local brew?
Nope. Peace tea.
Yeah, I think it will.
Oh yeah. Tastes way fresher.
Actually?
No.
It's all in the experience, the out-of-body experience.
What?
It's from Atlanta.
Oh. So maybe you're just psyching yourself out. Maybe it does taste better,
Yeah.
and then you were like reverse psychologying yourself.
I mean, it's delicious either way.
Darren will attempt the cookout quesadilla one bite.
I feel like this could be very doable.
He's going
at
for the
same
roll-up
time.
technique.
Same time. Alright.
We want to watch you swallow. Swallow.
Success.
Nothing a little focus, ingenuity, and determination can't fix.
Not gonna lie. There's a lot of food in there. Started hitting the back of my throat. I thought I was gonna throw up for a second.
I know. I was begging you to open my door.
Not a quitter.
Your turn.
I said I wasn't good.
You're weak.
I mean, seeing as how you get paid for these and I don't, no deal. Is that right?
Instant palm trees.
Yep. Right when you cross the Florida-Georgia line, instant palm trees.
No pun intended. How's this journey been for you, Frank?
It's been alright. Yeah.
Been alright.
Yeah. This is probably the second time I've sat in this passenger seat.
Darren, how's the journey? Okay. Fair enough.
We made it to unofficial practice. I think it started like an hour ago. A little less than an hour ago. Golf.
The equipment that really matters.
Unofficial practice in the books. Didn't get any shots for you guys. I'm sorry because it wasn't allowed because it was unofficial. I'm just kidding. I'm really bad about getting shots when I'm bowling. So we'll get better about it. Tomorrow's official practice. We're gonna get some food and check into the hotel. I'll see you tomorrow. It's raining and it's official practice day. It's the shark and Mitch. Let's get it.
Gets the pasty. Well, that's what this is. It gets the pasty feel when you rub it together. You know what I mean? Hi. What are we doing?
We're getting close-ups.
How far away is? Wait a second. That's improper. Why is he wearing a shirt? Feet over there, and he got it to 1. Unbelievable.
On Cheetah, okay.
On Cheetah, they changed it.
Please show me the way to
practice is done officially. Day 1. Cheetah tomorrow. Let's go.
Let's go.
We ready, boys? We ready?
We ready.
We ready. I did drill some balls. Drilled a trend. I drilled a zen. That almost rhymes. And a fast pitch. Doesn't rhyme.
Trend.
Trend. Zen. Fast pitch. Hopefully those roll good this week. But same balls tomorrow. We ball on the cheetah. Probably gonna be black ball. And then maybe a phase 2. Maybe an IQ tour. Most likely alpha crux. We'll see.
Need to get me sea legs.
We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.